In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. First of all, open settings and scroll down to access sound and vibration. Then scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to vibrate vocals. Thanks to it, you can enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. After that, tap on this switcher next to vibrate in silent mode to turn on or off vibrations when your device is muted. You can also tap on this switcher next to haptic feedback to activate or deactivate haptic feedback for gestures and system controls. If you decided to activate it, operate this slider to adjust intensity. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!